All right, Jeremy, congratulations on the win. What won the game tonight?
Tonight, I think what won the game was we started off a bit slow, but we started playing our basketball. We increased the intensity, and we just started getting on them. Started with defense. I think in the beginning of the game we were playing a bit slow. We were looking a bit sluggish, but towards the end we increased the tempo, we increased the intensity on defense, and that got our offense going as well. As well as on offense, we started moving the ball and started getting the defense to move and start picking our spots.
I gotcha. You had 13 of the last points of your team. What happened?
I just wanted to win, basically. I know, like I said, we started off slow and we needed a spark. And so with me, I felt like it started with me, and I just had to increase my intensity and get the guys on the same level. And that's pretty much what it was. I just wanted to increase the tempo.
All right. What do you think your team can learn from the game?
I think to come out ready. Can't wait till the last 5 minutes to start playing, because next time it might not be, the luck might not be on our side. So you just got to come out ready to play from the beginning of the tip-off, and I think we'll be all right.
Gotcha. Next game away against Hamad. How do you feel for that game?
Feel great. Every game I look forward to, because it's another opportunity to play this beautiful game of basketball. So I just feel great, and I'm ready. I'm looking forward to it.
All right, thanks.
All right, no problem.